fully active, you know. Don't move. I beg you, don't move. Just hear what me I say. You are going on now. Tell me I tell about a new channel. You see a new channel here. In name Wrld TV for the people and only for the people. And remember, you see the movie them were forward and we go up on a channel here. A some movie where you, your family, your loved one, everybody can sit down and watch. You see me? And here we are going on now. I big up some people who make this really possible. First, Father God. First, myself. Second and first again, then Puppy Dan, Father Public, plus the actor and the actress them. Big up Tia. And big up Pinky, Tugger Dan, Public. Big up Public again, you see me? And big up Marika, you know, a general that. And one more thing, big up Tugger. Big up David and the general, you know, my brother that. You see me? Women are big up. Big up you guys. When I like, share, comment, and subscribe yet. But here we are going. In time, when I like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend. And make a friend tell a friend. Tell all your matey. Tell all your side chick. Shh. Just make wife know, so I say that. But anyway, a movie I want forward. In name Secret and Lie. And a movie are nice. Very nice. You see if it's not nice, just comment and tell me what I want in the comment. So here I go. Remember. Wrld TV for the people and only for the people. And big up Color and Book Boss. I want name say again. That's me. You see me? Who does that? Yo, one Wrld TV. Big up the whole crew. Room, one in the head and off in the chamber. Boom, 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 boom. Watch man. One Puppy Dan. I'm represent for Wrld TV. I remember, you know, people, if it's Wrld TV, I go forward with the epic movie them. So I just want to stay tuned for the channel. A whole heap of craziness go on over here. So I don't know how me stay already. I don't know, say we always forward out to the epics and them always play a role in the right way. Watch man. Remember good na man. I watch the people. I just want to know like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend about Wrld TV. And people, remember, you know, Color and Book Boss and kick off a new channel as I'm telling you from start. You understand? So you have to just stay tuned. You know, you got expect Marika over the channel here. Tia, Pinky, me, myself, Puppy Dan, Public, Tugger, David Dan. You understand? I remember, we have a new actor named Uncle Barry. You understand? I'm a father, that my grandfather. So now just stay tuned. A whole heap of things go on over here, so man. You understand? And as I say, any suggestion, you know, just comment and tell you what go on. Because a whole heap of things are forward over here, so. One Wrld TV and a one Puppy Dan I represent for Wrld TV. You understand? So now just go and support the movement. And remember, you know, people, as I say, one Wrld TV. I'm out.
Booping at them, they don't know it's a girl American. We are here on Wrld TV. So guys, guess what I want to know for do? Like, share, comment, tell a friend, for tell another friend and tell another friend. You understand? Guys, you know hear about a new movie will come up on Wrld TV. Guys, the one up bad like a fire. So guys, as it come up, I want to get on a popcorn, on a cup, on a cup of the juice. Yeah. Sit down and watch the one, because the one is fire. Guys, I just want to big up some of my actors and actresses them. But we have a new actor in the thing. Him named Barry. I say them and they make David run out of words. What I say? So guys, remember to tell me part wanna like in the movie. And you hear what I say? Comments, turn up the fire. Guys, I don't know it's a girl America TV. So guess what? Like, share, comment, tell a friend, tell a friend. Big up Pinky, big up Puppy Dan, big up Public, big up Coloring Book Boss, big up Tia, big up myself again. We out. What's up, guys? From the the face, so you hear the voice, you don't know it's a girl Tia. I'm here represent for Wrld TV. I'm wanting the guys to subscribe to the channel, yeah? Like, share out the video them, leave a comment. Let we know an honest opinion on the movie here, and the movie name Secret and Lies. Yeah. So, guys, also I want big up Marika, Puppy Dan, Pinky, Tugger, and the boss himself, Coloring Book. Come here, my father.
You are going on 1 second, don't move. Commercial break. Yeah. The chef say dumpling them ready. You dumpling now eat?
About 10 we do.
I rate you. Tell him to left 20 for me. But here we go on, don't move. Remember, you know, I want to big up Puppy Dan, because here we go on, he make it possible. public same way, and plus myself, and plus Father God. But the main thing, I want to big up some fans, because when we go in and comment in more while, we see some people are coming from all about, say, yo, when we are passed through in them era. But me a few places I want to big up. First, I want to big up St. Mary, coming crazy just so. I want to big up Clarendon, I want to big up Spanish Town, all a Spain and them places. I want again, Senti, yeah, Canada, England, coming kind of weak in America. You get what I say about? Anyway, anywhere you're from in Jamaica, I just want to big up my fans them all about. And remember, you know, Puppydan, Public, Coloring Book, you know, one team and one dream. You get what I say? So, big up my fans them. Wrld TV for the people
and only
for the people. Run me in the head.
Boop.
Yeah, man, I don't know, say a public report representing. You know what I mean? I say representing. This is a very special moment because guess what? My brother, Coloring Book, you know what I mean? Launch out for one thing. And when I talk about thing, I talk about TING, where drink and dash away. This is one of his here to stay, right? Yeah. So guess what now? This is called Wrld TV. You hear me I say? And a false Wrld TV. And a Egypt and a Wrld TV, right? So guess what? We are giving strength because we want him thing launch out because I don't know say a general that already. You know what I mean? So do the right thing. Like, share, subscribe. You know what I mean? You can talk, you know, you where's the keys? Eh? Keys?
Turn it up.
Hear the voice behind the camera? A Wrld TV, so man, he put in the work. You know what I mean? So, I want to just support him. Our family, our brothers are part of the family. You know what I mean? Under the umbrella of, you don't know the thing, Richard Brown Films and all these things. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Hey, you girl, you, come here, come forth. This girl is called, how are you name?
Marika.
No, you have to say, boop in the man.
Booping at the mid for your see face. I don't know it's a girl. Marika, we out.
What girl again? What them again? Tell me the man, sir.
And you don't know it's a girl, Tia. I mean, I represent for Wrld TV. You get what I say?
No, you speak to proper. It's not through Wrld TV. It's true.
True.
Not false. You know what I mean?
Wrld TV.
Yes.
You understand what I say? Right. That's
yeah, you know what I mean?
So remember to subscribe, guys. Like, share, and enjoy the movie here.
I feel baggy.
Yeah, I borrow
I
my
go and talk about bag. Fully active. You know what active? What you say?
True.
No fall.
No false.
No fall.
No false.
True Wrld TV, fully active. But yo, watch on in a real life. Coloring Book boss. I just want to say your respect. The female, the male, all the people may come and support me. To make a movie as possible. Because you are not joking. We not do it for fame, we do it for love. You see me? If we still do it for money, don't get it twisted. But if the money not make, just jump back to your love. You get what I say? Because I love. Big up all I fans, them, all 14. All the 15 too?
Yeah.
The whole 15, 16 parish?
Yeah,
16 parish or 14?
No, it's 17 parishes in Jamaica. What are you talking about? No, you're fucked.
Big up my fans, them, man. And your channel?
Yeah, man, public report official.
Big up public report. Come here.
Right now, about public about nobody.
Here.
Life with Tia.
Big up.
Big up. Say it again. Life with
Coloring Book TV.
Okay, and we are left out Wrld TV.
Marika TV.
Marika TV too.
Yes.
You know what I think come
Marika
so big up.
Pinky Flames.
50 inch TV.
Pinky wa?
Flames.
And Togawa?
Toga TV.
Oh God, who me left out?
Richard Brown.
And yo, one Richard Brown film. And watch out one new actor. Barrington Hill. David and in a real life father. Yo, for the first see me play on Wrld TV, Secret and Light, yo, big up yourself, Barry. But different from that, big up all of my fans, my whole 14. Wrld TV for the people and only for the people. Big up all fans, them, yo. Yard and abroad. Boop!
Well, come for us, boop. Take back your boop and come back. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, we have to big up Popeye them too. You know
my apologies.
You can't afford Popeye.
But remember, you know, I want 2G, me having, and you have a 4G, you know. And she have a 5G, you know. So if me not remember, you can't cuss it.
Well said,
So you have a 4G.
Yeah, man. So big up everybody.
Yeah.
One family. Don't get it twisted. But this is about.
And you have a 5G. So, how many 5G you have? Sorry.
This is about Wrld TV.
And you have a 5G, so you have the 5G.
And everybody we can remember right now. You know what? Big up the fans.
Room in the bed. Boom. Wrld TV.
Don't run. I told her. I represent Wrld TV. You see me? And through Wrld TV, you go watch nothing but the truth. You see me? Nothing but the truth I got display upon this channel here. I want to expect the unexpected. Me hear me say? Expect the unexpected on this channel. Because over here, so, you know, get some story where you know have to sit down and I meds if this really a go on or if that a go on. So I want to stay tuned because over here, so I go mad. And I want to show you same love I want to give you, show you same love over here, so. You see me? Make it equal. Show you same love I want to give you, show you over here, so. One. Seal, we are one, you see me? One unity, one LF camp, we run a whole thing. So, through Wrld TV, a new movie channel. You see me? Someone like, share, and subscribe. Share to the auntie, uncle, cousin, sister, brother-in-law, everybody, and share up to. You see me? Enough love and respect to you, and I represent, as I say, I represent for True Wrld TV. And as I said before, now starting, expect the unexpected. And remember, say, over here, so, you're going to hear nothing but the truth. And the truth alone. So if you don't like the truth,
it's David and the actor. YouTube, good morning, good evening, or good night, depending on when you're watching. Me, I represent for True Wrld TV. True Wrld TV is the new movie channel dedicated to give you those authentic Jamaican movies and even more. So here we go. This movie, Secrets and Lies, come out any moment now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to like, share, and comment. All your friends know say True Wrld TV is here to stay. Spread the word. Top Shotter is back. True, this is a new Top Shotter because we just enjoying the scene. But yes, so I want you guys to know, True Wrld TV is here to stay, as I said before. True Wrld TV is here to stay and do all that stuff. So big up your friends them with a yard and abroad. Remember, say who make this possible. So please just continue to support we in all that we do and make sure you enjoy the projects that we put out. Oh, remember to go over to Toga TV, Coloring Book TV, Public Report, and all the other movie channels. Remember, say I want a link. But until then, see you soon.